Hello, this is Sabo Sandy. I am in the Reedley Municipal Airport.
Reedley Municipal Airport, sometimes referred to in shorthand but not officially as RMA, is a public airport located 4 miles, 6.4 kilometers, north of Reedley, serving southeast Fresno County and northeast Tulare County, California, USA. In 1946, the Reedley Flight Club created the Great Western Airport north of Reedley and southwest of Mount Campbell, as a private recreational facility. Since the early 1950s, the Great Western Airport had been leased out for crop dusting operations under the name Great Western Aeronautics. In April 1975, the city of Reedley proposed the establishment of Reedley Municipal Airport on the site of what had previously been the Great Western Airport. There are 21 single-engine aircraft based at Reedley Municipal Airport, and during the 12-month period ending on the 30th of January 2020, the airport logged 33,000 operations.
And tomorrow will be the West Coast Festival of Giants. So there's the 4th years, and then this is the Air Force Airport. So this time we'll be in this airport to have a show. So here is a Reedley Airport. You can see the airplane is parking in here. And here is a flying line in front. So you can see most of the vendors will come today and to sell the booths. So you can see the JR, you can see all the RV already setting up in here. So on that part is a parking area, and here is a vendor area. And then at the vendor area corner is a Starbucks booth. We will parking our car in there. And then we have handing out for the free t-shirt to all the Starbucks pilots. So if you are use Starbucks servo, please come to that corner, and then we can give you a small gift like the t-shirts or keychains, and also you can have the deco. So see you tomorrow. Thank you. Hello, this is Sabo Sandy. We are in the Saturday morning, the Reedley Airport right now. So you can see people keep coming. There will be more and more people today. Maybe it's a small show, but it's really great. I will show you something here. And then right now it's in the flight line. So later on we will see this big guy to fly. There is a scale one, and then there's a 2 engine. Then they just test the 2 engine right now. And then for the next flight will be them. So let's see. Okay, so this is wrong. So let's see this big guy open not to start the engine. Okay, the hand start the engine.
Get a little bit forward.